Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be explaining to you how to choose the right domain name for your crypto website without being suspended. I've received a couple of message and mail. People have come to my DM that like, why do they suspend my domain? That I just got a domain in few days, it got suspended. And I keep telling people there are rules you need to follow while choosing a domain name. Now, if you are hosting a website like cryptocurrency, banking website, lottery, and so on and so forth, there is what we call blacklisted names. If there is a blacklisted name inside your domain name, definitely your site will be suspended. Now, even if your site is not being suspended, the mail server will blacklist your site, or Google will blacklist your site. That is where you will see deceptive site ahead. Be careful. So I am going to explain to you the reason why you are being suspended, your account is being killed, and your account is being restricted, or sometimes your mail goes directly to your spam folder instead of your inbox. So I'll be explaining that. So if you stay with me to the end of this tutorial, you will know everything and how to avoid that mistake. So if you know you are new to our channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we release videos like this, you'll be the first person to see it. Now, let me start from number one. How do you choose the right name for your domain? If you are hosting a website like crypto, do not let your domain name contain the name like investment, money, fund, etc. Because all these, they are blacklisted names. Names like cryptoinvestment.com. Though there are some companies that already have that name, crypto investment, because one, they are licensed. And in situation you don't have a license to own a cryptocurrency website, it will surely be blacklisted. So avoid using blacklisted names like money, like investment, like Bitcoin. So if you can follow these rules, your site will not be suspended. Are you getting me? So the rule is you just need to mix it. If maybe your client give you a name like cryptoforsure.com, and you are being suspicious at this name, you are not comfortable there, why don't you twist it? Just twist it so that you will avoid being suspended. And even if they don't suspend that account, any mail that is coming to that account, it will go directly to spam folder. So that is why you get issues like I sent a mail and it went to spam folder instead of inbox. It was because on your domain name there is a blacklisted name that is embedded inside. So rule one, be careful in choosing your name. Be careful in choosing your name. And I tell people, I recommend Namecheap if you want to do a website for host a website for an organization and the rest. But if you are hosting a website that is for crypto or banking system, I don't advise you to use Namecheap. Yeah, you will say, why am I saying this? Yes, because they easily suspend such sites. If you don't have a license to run such kind of site, run away from Namecheap. I have made a recommendation on the hosting you need to use in my previous video. I recommended Assura hosting. Assura hosting is okay for you to use for your crypto work or for your banking system, your lottery system, etc. If you check below this video, you will see my link, my referral link for Assura hosting. I recommend it. Number one, they don't suspend sites anyhow. No. But that doesn't mean you should go and choose anyhow name. No, they don't. But just be very careful. So if you follow this rule, your domain will not be suspended easily, your server or your hosting account will not be suspended easily, or neither will Google flag your site as deceptive site ahead. Understand what I just explained to you, and you will see that you will not have issues with your domain. Now, if you found value in this video, I want you to go to the comment button and drop a comment there. Or if you think maybe you've experienced another thing and I've not talked about it, just say it. Then we'll make a video for it. If you know you've still not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. We release video every week so that you will not miss out.